has a verdict, state prepared to receive the verdict.
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense ready to receive the verdict.
Yes, sir.
Bring the jury whenever they're ready.
Yes, sir.
All right, please be seated. Let's see, your name is juror 15, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, are you the foreperson of this jury?
Yes, sir.
Have you arrived at a verdict?
Yes, we have.
Hand it to the verdict. Juror 15, if you could stand and read the verdict. Chen, stand with your turn. Start with respect to.
With respect to count 1 of presentment 315228, we, the jury, find the defendant, Jason Chen, guilty of first-degree premeditated murder.
This is an emotional verdict. Everyone needs to maintain decorum, please. All right, rest of the jurors, if this is your individual verdict, please so indicate by raising your right hand. Record should reflect that everyone's right hands are raised. All right, sir, read count 2.
With respect to count 2 of presentment 315228, we, the jury, find the defendant, Jason Chen, guilty of abuse of the corpse.
All right, rest of the jurors, if this is your individual verdict, please so indicate by raising your right hand. Record should reflect all right hands are raised. All right, maybe seated, sir. Maybe seated, Mr. Chen. We decide according for the polling of the jurors.
Oh, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Chen, as 13th juror sitting in this case, I do agree with the jury's verdict of guilty and hereby pronounce you guilty of the first-degree murder of Jasmine Pace. This brings us to the sentencing phase of this particular matter. The jury will be asked to determine whether or not there's the presence of an aggravating factor. This will require proof. We're going to do that tomorrow. So at this point, to let the defense and the state put together the proof, if they want to put some on, then that'll be happening tomorrow morning. Again, you can't talk about your verdict with anyone. You're still part of this case, so you must refrain from being exposed to any media, and also must not talk about any sentencing matters or anything about this case with each other until you're back in the jury room. Okay? That will release you, and I'll again remind you the court's admonition to not discuss anything about this case among yourselves until tomorrow. All right, that may be Please be seated. The last day will resume tomorrow at 9 a.m. There's a regular docket. Might be better for parties to be ready to proceed at 9, but how big's the docket tomorrow? That's it? All right, let's try for 9:30. Unless you need more time tomorrow morning, we can start later in the morning if you wish. Mr. Weiss, if you need any witnesses you need to get together, same with the state. Do you prefer 9:30 or 10? Yes, sir, 10 o'clock. Okay. Court will be in recess till 9 tomorrow. This trial will be in recess till 10 a.m.
Thank you.
Chen, make the point.
You don't have to talk to anybody about your experience if you don't want to. The lawyers understand that. They'll respect that. Just rather not talk to anyone. You don't have to. The lawyers do appreciate, and I certainly did when I was down there, getting feedback about what they did right, what they could do better. So if you are okay with it, they may ask you some questions about what is important to you in the case. Okay? and we'll try to get you back to Nashville tonight. We're working on that, okay? Thank you.
The system's rigged.